My name is Troy LaBeouf. I am the equipment manager for U.S. Liquids of Louisiana, the leading provider of exploration and production waste treatment. The oil field is a very tough business running 365 days a year, 24 hours a day. Therefore, we need our equipment and our dealers to be as tough as the industry. We presently own 23 Kobelco excavators, all of which were sold and serviced by CLM Equipment Company. We have been doing business with CLM since 1989. Every machine we own has to be modified for our application. CLM has worked hard through the years to meet and exceed our needs. Eric Walker, store manager and U.S. Liquids point of contact, leads a first-class team. Their parts, service, and sales support is what makes CLM the #1 Kobelco dealer in North America. My Kobelco DBM is Tony G. It's been very helpful. As I said before, all our machines have to be modified. We have to get the plant in Calhoun, Georgia to special make every machine we order, and he's been very instrumental in getting that done.